Namaste students, this is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Today's topic is pulses. Students, I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed JDVC 5th semester student. Botany paper name is taxonomy and today's topic is pulses. Students, as you all know that since last 10 days we were discussing about economic importance of plants. Before that, before this, we have studied oil yielding plants, cereals, medicinal plants, spices, fiber yieldings, so many things we have seen. In continuation of that class, today's topic is pulses. What are the pulses? What are the botanical name of plants which produce pulses? What are the significance of them? Okay, so let's come to start. Pulses generally gives lower yield than the cereals. Okay, they are not that much of yielding as cereals are yields. Okay, but they are rich in proteins. As you all know, pulses are the rich source of proteins. The proteins from pulses are incomplete. Good source of lysine, tryptophan and threonine, but are low in sulfur containing amino acids such as methionine, cysteine and cysteine, which are adequate in cereals. Okay, students, as you all know, these proteins are made up of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids which constitute proteins. So some of the amino acids are found in large amount in pulses such as lysine, tryptophan and threonine, but other sulfur containing amino acids are not found frequently in abundant amount in pulses. Okay, so let's start with particular pulses, that red gram, that is also known as arhar or tur, also known as pigeon pea. Botanical name is Cajanus cajan. Chromosome number 2n is 22. Family Leguminosae or Fabaceae. As you all know, about 90% of pulses belonging to Fabaceae family. So it is understood. Place of origin Africa, Asia. Wild species Cajanus castingi. Related crossable genera, that is Rincosia. Okay, so this is the brief description of red gram, that is tuer. Students, in general names, Hindi names, different region has different names. That's why botanical nomenclature came into the existence, because there should be a particular name which can be recognized by whole words. Okay, second one is black gram. Okay, also known as urad, ulundu. The scientific name is Vigna mungo. Number of chromosome is 22 or 24. Again, family belonging to Fabaceae. Origin place is India. Parents Vigna trinarivus and Vigna sublobata, or Vigna mongo, that is sylvestris. Okay, while relatives Hyper vernacular name is Sylvestris locoki, Merical otol. Okay, this black gram is also used as a pulse. This is also great source of protein. Next is green gram, that is also known as moong bean. Scientific name is Vigna radiata. Number of chromosome 22. Family again Fabaceae. Place of origin is India. Wild relative Vigna radiata sublobata. It is esteemed as the most wholesome among the pulses, free from the heaviness and tendency to cause flatulence, which is associated with other pulses. Okay, so this moonbeam is very important, students. uh, I think now you people are not feeling that much of disturbance or difficulty to learn the botanical names. I hope up to this much you are in rhythm to learn the botanical name. So again, I am recommending you that you remember at least 5 to 10 plants of each category, along with that their family name and botanical name. Okay, up to this much of knowledge you should have. Being a botany student, you must remember, because I may ask these type of questions in your semester examination, in your midterm examination, and more than that, in your competitive exams such type of questions are being asked. Okay, so don't ignore them. Some of the questions are also being asked in your second grade, first grade examination. Okay, so don't ignore them, please remember them. And I will give you question for today's. You will reply in comment box. Next one is soybean. Soybean is known as a great source of protein, that is plant protein. This is the analog of meat, that is human consumption. Okay, animal. The great source of protein in terms of animals, that is meat, fishes, chickens, but for vegetarian, soybean is the great source of protein. Why? The reason is here. Sorry. uh, Scientific name is glycine max. Chromosome number is 40. Origin place is China. Probable ancestor is glycine usuriensis. About morphology of the plant, plant is slender, viney plants with small seeds, grows wild in Japan, Manchuria, Korea, other Asian countries. It is considered to be the progenitor for glycine max. Okay. Another view is that glycine max arose from natural hybridization between glycine usuriensis and glycine tomentella, which grows wild in China. A fourth species, glycine gracile, is intermediate between glycine max and glycine usuriensis. Okay, students, there are many more species name is there, but don't bother about that. At least two or one species name you should remember, and I expect you can remember it. Okay, which one is most important? Like glycine max is most important for soybean. Okay, so you remember it. Cultivated types of glycine gracilis are found in Manchuria. All the above species are crossable which with each others. Okay, many other species in glycine have been identified, but the exact classification of most of them is still in doubt. Students, soybean has numbers of unique properties, such as this name has been derived from glycine, which is a amino acids, and since this amino acids found in abundant amount in this seeds, that's why name has been given glycine. Okay, max means maximum. Another unique feature with glycine max is its root has nodules. Okay, and these nodules are habitated by bacterium, and you all know, you have already studied symbiosis. So there is a symbiosis relation between root nodules of soybean and bacterium, which fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which leads to increase the fertility of soil. Okay, so in this point of view, soybean plant is also important. Okay, so students, in this way we have seen economic importance of pulses. What are those pulses? What are their botanical name? Most of the pulses belongs to Fabaceae. Blindly you can tell Fabaceae. That's why name has been given pulse family. To Fabaceae, name is pulse family because most of the pulses belong to this family and their general features. So students, in comment box you note down these plants name, pulses names along with their botanical name. I will check it. Okay, I'll wait for your answer. Thank you very much. On next turn we will study another topic.